Hello there! In this video I will be stripping two Games Workshop miniatures. I will be using a household cleaning product and a professional modeling product. The household product is Magic Clean or Super Clean. In North America I think it's called Super Green, something similar anyway. Basic household cleaning product used for bathrooms, kitchens, etc. I have used this before to strip a Death Guard Plaguecaster miniature. The model you can see is from one of my previous videos. I painted it in two different color schemes as a tester. The professional product is Tamiya Paint Remover. I have also used this on the previously mentioned Plaguecaster after I did a very bad priming job. I believe this is safe to use on Games Workshop products. It is not safe to use on ABS plastics, which I believe includes Lego and Gunpla. The two models I will be stripping are two Ork Stormboyz. They're the classic ones from 1999 or 2000, I believe, sculpted by Brian Nelson. They are a mixture of metal and plastic. First up is the Super Clean. You can tell I'm an Ork player because I go full Dakar rather than just opening up the bottle and tipping it on. So, yeah, idiot. Next up is the Tamiya. A word of warning, you should probably be using this in a well-ventilated area. Have some eye protection and gloves. And as you can see, I'm not doing any of that. Again, I'm an idiot. We are coming up to 6 minutes on the clock, and as you can see, the model that was soaking in the Tamiya Paint Remover is coming along nicely. There's large chunks of paint just falling off the model, and it's soaking in well. So let's take a brush to it. The Tamiya Paint Remover has done its thing. The paint is dripping essentially off the model, revealing the plastic and metal beneath. Again, a word of warning, you should be wearing gloves and probably not doing this on a white surface. Yeah. Next up is the Super Clean with 11 minutes 24 seconds on the clock. Let's give this a little scrub too. And as you can see, the paint does want to come off. It does involve a little bit more scrubbing. Some of the more older paint seems to be stuck. But as it's barely even 12 minutes on the clock now, I think it's pretty effective. With regards to the Magic Clean, I would probably leave the model in a lot longer, possibly overnight.